Welcome all to our channel Engineering with Gaming, presenting storyline behind the Mitro app. So here it is. Yes, the Mitro app is an Indian origin app launched by an Indian company Shopkiller e-commerce. Mitro app has been launched on the World Wide Web, which enables to users to make short videos and earn followers for their content. Mitro, touted as the Indian alternative to TikTok, was removed from the Google Play Store last week along with the Remove China apps for violation of Google's privacy policy. Mitro has been facing backlash even before Google removed the app from Play Store after Pakistan coding company Cuboxes claimed Agarwal bought the source code of TikTok from them for $34, roughly around rupees 2,500, and rebranded it as Mitro without making any customization to the code. However, the duo countered this claim and said they bought the initial prototyping code from Invito Marketplace, an Australian company, and not Cuboxes. After keeping silent for well over a week, Mitro app founders Shivank Agarwal and Anish Khandelwal told Indian Express that their app came back on the Google Play Store after they complied with the request for the proper documentation needed as the UGC platform. Mitro app has been downloaded by the millions of users in a few weeks, but there were concerns around the data security. The founders said all users' data is all safe and secure and stored in servers within India. We have made a hell lot of customization and we assured that personal information is safe on our servers, they said. Mitro is currently available only on Google Play Store, but the will soon be up for download on Apple's App Store, the company has confirmed. The developers assured that all user data is stored in AWS servers in Mumbai. Our thought process has always been Indian consumers should be served by Indian platform and Indian data should always be secured on Indian servers, Agarwal and the Khandelwal said. Agarwal and Khandelwal highlighted that the content on the Mitro app will serve both the entertainment and educational quotient, and the company plans to collaborate with the government as well as private bodies active in these areas. We want to collaborate with the government with specific points such as skill development, education, educating farmers with better farming techniques, they said. In the coming days, the team Mitro is planning to bring several changes in the user interface, which currently looks very similar to TikTok, with the aim to offer smoother experience to users. So, we are requesting everyone not to trust any rumors and also support our Indian economy in this pandemic. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel Engineering with Gaming. Thank you.